Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I recreated my daughter's toy blood pressure cuff. A while back my daughter received a toy medical kit and it came with a blood pressure cuff that was made out of paper. Well, needless to say, that didn't last very long and it ripped and she wanted a new one. So I decided to go ahead and make her one out of fabric. The first thing I did was make two long rectangles and I added velcro to one side. This will be lined, so I added it, sandwiched it in between the two pieces of fabric. And then the other two pieces of the velcro I put on the outside of the other piece of fabric. So that way when everything was turned right side out, then the velcro would overlap itself when it's on the arm. I did add some interfacing to this to give it more structure. And then all you have to do is sew the two pieces of the fabric with the interfacing together and then flip it right sides out and top stitch it. Can't have a medical cuff without a red cross, so here I'm using my fabric medium and my acrylic paints to do just that. And here's the finished toy medical cuff. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!